quick reading for March 19 to the 20. Capricorn, your cards are the Four of Cups, the Hanged One, and the Void. So, I feel like meron ditong push, no, from our person or yun yung naramdaman natin. Whether this is blatantly pinakita, parang na-feel natin na pinagtutulakan tayo ni person. Syempre nakapag-isip-isip tayo na tanong natin siguro, does our person truly love me, no? Siguro napansin din ni person yung harshness, no? Whether this is through words, actions, baka kasi na-feel mo iniiwasan ka ni person. Parang ngayon naman magiging super, parang hyperactive niya, no, dito sa connection. Magkakaroon siya ng maraming kwento, no, about their future, no, syempre kasama ka doon. Pwedeng ito yung mga na-experience niya nung meron kayong separation, or pwedeng ito yung sabihin nating mga actions of pagsisilbi, no, sa'yo. Yeah, so this is your quick reading for March the 19th to the 20th, Capricorn.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.